Hi, it's Maria from Our Mother World. Today we're going to make Moustokouloura, which is molasses cookies, and I'm making them gluten-free. So first we're going to start off with 1 cup of olive oil, extra virgin Greek olive oil. Pour that in. Next we're going to need 1/2 cup of molasses. And then next we'll need 1/2 cup of sugar, and I'm using coconut palm sugar because it's healthier than using regular sugar, but you can use whatever sugar you wish. I just prefer to make it with the coconut sugar. So 1/2 cup of that, and pour that in. Might have to clean that out. Next we need 1/2 cup of orange juice. Now you can use freshly squeezed orange juice, or if you have orange juice on hand and don't have time to squeeze fresh oranges, just use 1/2 cup. Pour that in, and let's give that a whirl. It would help to plug it in first. There we go. Next you'll need about 2 cups or more of gluten-free flour, and I've used a mixture of flours here, as you can see in the layers. There's some almond flour in there, tapioca, rice flour, and sorghum flour. So we're gonna add a little bit of that at a time. We'll also need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and cloves, and I'm gonna add that to the flour. Now I stir that all up and slowly add it in. So now I've added another 2 cups of gluten-free flour to the mixture, and now the cookie dough is starting to form. You want it to get to a consistency that is thick enough to form into cookies. So I would say about 4 cups or so of flour. You want the dough to be able to be handled properly, but it will still be a little bit sticky. Just not too much. Make sure you scrape down the sides of the bowl too, and then we're going to chill it in the fridge for about an hour. That's the consistency that I'm going to want in this cookie. That's pretty good. Okay, so now that the dough has been chilled, I'm going to take about a tablespoon or a heaping teaspoon out like this, and I'm going to, it's easy to handle as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it, and because of the oil, you don't need any flour to line the sheet with. So then you'll notice that once you roll it out, it becomes a long log. I know it doesn't look very appealing, but it actually tastes really good. This is how my mom makes hers. She rolls them out like that, and then she makes little patterns like that. Again, not visually appealing, but they're very tasty. You can make your cookies into shapes like this, or what you can do is just make them into little drops. The other option is to just roll out the cookie dough and use these cookie cutters to make shapes. And now I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing space in between for them to spread out.